Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Good morning, children. In your previous class, you have read about Roman numerals and the basic rules of Roman numerals, how to write Roman numerals. And in this class, you have to read about your exercise in chapter 2, Roman numerals, and exercise 2a. There are many types in your this exercise. We have to solve per type with an example. Here is your first type. Write Roman numerals for the following Hindu Arabic numerals. We all know there are 7 letters to use in Roman numerals. I for 1, B for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. This is our 7 letters that we use in Roman numerals to write in Roman numbers. Your first type question, write Roman numerals for the following Hindu Arabic numerals. This is your Hindu Arabic numerals and you write it in Roman numerals. 60, 60. We all know L for 50, and when a symbol appears after this largest symbol, it will be add. It means 60, L means 50, X means 10, it means 50 and 10, and write G and I. LX DI means 66, and here is 86. L means 50, X means 10, this X means 10 and this X means 10, it will be 80. We can't write one symbol more than 3 times. This means 80 and 6. It will be 86 in Roman numerals. And your second type, write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. You have to write it in Hindu Arabic numerals. Here is L, double X, I and X. When a symbol appears before this larger number, it will be subtracted. L means 50, this X means 10 and this X means 10. And I, X means 10 minus 1 equal to 9 and this IX means 9. You have to add it 50, 60, 70 and 979. The value of L double X, I and X equal to 79. And second Hindu Arabic numerals. L means 50, X means 10, this X means 10 and I means 1. Now add it 50, 60, 70 and 1. 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 and plus 1. It will be 71. The value of L double X I equal to 71. And here next type, which of the following are meaningless? Here is 2 examples, which one of the are meaningless. Write it Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic numerals. You have to write it in numerals. L means 50, X means 10, this X means 10, IB means 4, 5, this B means 5 and this I means 1. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. The value of L double X IB equal to 50 plus 1060 plus 1070 plus 474. This is not meaningless, this is meaningful. And here is the second example. X. This X is appeared before this largest symbol. It means it will be subtracted. C means 100 and X means 10. Means X equal to 90 and here is X means 10 means 100. It will be wrong. This is meaningless Roman numerals. And your next type is compare and put the correct symbol, this or this in the box. This symbol for greater than, smaller than and equal to. You have to put these symbols in this given boxes. First of all, you have to compare between these 2 numbers, which one is greater than and which one is smaller than. First of all, you have to write the value of this Roman numerals and this these Roman numerals. Here is X, L, V, triple I. X and L. When a symbol appears before this largest number, it will be subtracted. L means 50 and X means 10. It will be subtracted. 50 minus 10, it will be 40. X is equal to 40. V means 5 and triple I means 1, 1 and 1. Now add it. 40 plus 5, 45, 46, 47 and 48. 48. The value of X, L, V, triple I equal to 48. And the value of this L is, L means 50 and X means 10. 50 plus 10 equal to 60. Which one is greater than? 60 is greater than 41. Lx is greater than X, L, V and triple I. First of all, you have to write it in Hindu Arabic numerals to find out which one is greater than and which one is smaller than and which is equal to. And your second example is L double X, Bi and L triple I. L means 50 and this X appears after this symbol, so it will be added. X means 10 and this X means 10, V means 5 and I means 1. Now add it. 50 plus 10 60 plus 10 70 plus 5 75 and 1 76. And the value of L means 50, triple I 50, 51, 52, 53. Which one is greater than? 76 is greater than 53. L double X Bi is greater than L triple I. And your next question. Next type, arrange the following Roman numerals in ascending order. You have to write in ascending order. In ascending order, you have to write, first of all, you have to write the smallest number of the given series. And in this series, first of all, you have to write the Hindu Arabic numerals of the given these Roman numerals. There is L means 50, B means 5, 1 means I means 1 and this I means 1. So the value of L, V double I equal to 50 plus 5, 55, 56 and 57. And the value of this triple X and I, X means 10 plus 10, 20 plus 30, 131. Here is L double X. L means 50, X means 10, this X means 10, V means 5 and I means 1. 50 plus 10 60 and this 10 for 70, 75 and 76. The value of L double X Bi equal to 76. And here is next. This X is appears before this L, so it will be subtracted and the value of XL equal to 50 minus 10 equal to 40. The value of XL equal to 40 plus V minus V means 5 and I means 1. 40 plus 5 45 plus 1 46. And the last, the value of X C I X. This X is appears before this C, so the value of X equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90. The value of X equal to 90 and the value of I is 9. This I appears before this X, so it will be subtracted. Then 90 plus 9 equal to 99. And now you have to write in ascending order. In ascending order, first of all, you write the smallest number of the given series. 31 is the smallest number of this given series. So 31 and then 46 and then 57 and 76 and 99. And now write it in Roman numerals. 31 here, triple X I, and then 46 here, X L V I, and then 57 L or 55 and 7. 76 L double X B and I, and 99 x c I x. This is in our ascending order. And your next type is, and this is your next type. Arrange the following numerals in descending order. You have to write these numerals, these Roman numerals in descending order. In descending order, first of all, you write the largest number of the given series. You have to write it in Hindu Arabic numerals. X, B, double I means X means 10, B means 5, I means 1 and this I means 1. 10 plus 5, 15, 16 and 17. 8 triple X means 30, 10, 10, 10. Double I means double 1. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 1, 31 and then 32. Here is L and triple X. L means 50. X means 10, this X means 10 and this X means 10. IX means 9 because this symbol appears before this largest symbol. So 10 minus 1 equal to 9. The value of IX equal to 9. 50 plus 10 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 9 89. Here is L, B, I. L means 50, B means 5 and I means 1. 50 plus 5, 55 and I means 1, 56. And the last symbol, L means 50, this X means 10, this X means 10, B means 5 and I means 1. Add it, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 5, 75 and 176. This is all your in Hindi Arabic numerals. And now you have to write it in descending order. In descending order, first of all, you have to write the largest number of the given series. 89 is the largest number of this given series. So write here 89 and then 26 and then 56 and 32 and last 70. In your previous class, you have to read about how we compare the numbers which is greater than and which is smaller than. Here is 89. Value of 89 in Roman numerals here is L, triple X, I, X. And the value of 76 is L, double X, B and I. The value of 56 L, B, I. And the value of 30 is triple X and 2. And the value of 70 is X, B and double I. This is all your exercise 2.
Thanks for watching this video.